Chimichurri is simply olive oil mix. Some add vinegar or lemon, but I prefer only olive oil. You can buy it in little packets like this at the supermarket or in bulk at a grain store. It's super easy to find nowadays. It's a blend of herbs and seasonings. Mix it with olive oil and you have a quick sauce for your food. I'm also going to make a vinaigrette sauce with 1/4 of an onion, a seedless tomato, and a small piece of bell pepper. Adjust these amounts to your taste, okay? Some call it vinaigrette, while others argue adding bell pepper means it's not, but it's still vinaigrette. This name was inspired by the French vinaigrette, which is an emulsion and has nothing to do with ours here in Brazil. It's just a mix. What matters is it tastes good. Put all the chopped ingredients in a bowl, then we'll season it. I add green onions as you saw, then season it. Salt, black pepper. I always use white pepper, but it's up to you. Use about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and vinegar as the base for this amount. Is it ready once you mix it too? I also serve it with small toasts made from any bread you have, even day-old, and grilled queijo coalho cheese. You just take those little stick ones from Mercado Douro from any side and cut them into cubes. Music.